This is Thomas Paul's week, number 42. This time from Sarajevo in Bosnia, where the European Evangelical Alliance has her General Assembly, Hope for Europe, Builders Connecting. I'm standing here with Leanne. She is running the European Freedom Network. Yeah, that's my virus, yeah. Freedom Network. And this is why she is here. But she also helps us to upgrade the European network to the World Freedom Network. World Evangelical Alliance has been fighting slavery all its existence and human trafficking again and again, but we now want to really make this a big global network. So, Leanne, tell us a little bit about yourself and what your vision is for the World Freedom Network.
Okay, I am an Australian, but I live in Europe, and I've lived in a few European countries, so UK, France, Romania, Portugal.
Oh dear.
Yes, I've moved around quite a bit, but my dream for the World Freedom Network is that it would be a network of specialists that can come alongside churches and really help churches to speak into this whole issue of human trafficking. So we need the specialists because churches can't all be specialists, but what churches are great at is being a restorative and transformative environment for survivors, and we want to come alongside churches, evangelical alliances, and really help them to be what they do best at, which is help people live a restored life.
Yeah. Okay, and that means for our national alliances, regional alliances, if you want to start any work in the area of human trafficking, or if you have it and you want to improve it and network it, just connect to Leanne and she will be willing to help you. Thank you very much. We had a handover with the Secretary General of the European Evangelical Alliance, Thomas Bucher. His term came to an end. We said bye-bye to him. He did a great job the last years, especially prolonged beyond his time because of COVID-19. But now we have two Secretary Generals. I have to get to use the plural. Connie from Portugal and Leanne from the Netherlands. Would you introduce yourself and give us your great ideas for Europe?
I'm Connie Duarte, and I'm from just outside Lisbon, Portugal.
I'm Wessels, just in The Hague, the center of the Netherlands. So yeah,
we're looking forward, especially in these next few years, to build up networks, to see national alliances be built up even stronger, to see our affiliates feel more empowered and also more ownership.
And also our networks, because that's the nice thing with the European Evangelical Alliance, that we have a family not only of members, but we have a huge network with all kinds of ministries coming together. And that was just what we had here in Sarajevo.
Yeah. Well, we sat on the table already and discussed the first steps because we want a much closer cooperation between World Evangelical Alliance and the European Evangelical Alliance and of course other regions. And you mentioned Hope for Europe, which has been the network. I've been involved with Hope for Europe nearly 3 decades myself. And actually it was this kind of network that gave the ideas to the ministry departments of the World Evangelical Alliance, and they're very similar. So I'm happy that we can cooperate in the future.
And we really look forward to it also.
Indeed.
Thank you very much.